Hey, if you're looking for underfloor insulation that ticks all the boxes at a great value price, then keep watching. Introducing Value Poly. This is R2.5 roll form polyester, is made especially for insulating floors. Does it tick all the boxes? Well, it comes in rolls, so it's easy to drag in a lot of material under the floor in one go. No need to crawl back and forth hundreds of times to drag in individual bats. It's 450 wide and squishy, so it's able to fit most common joist spacings straight up. And for others, it's easy to turn and tear. The fibres are aligned across the roll, so it's suitable to staple into place. That's important to ensure it's always held firmly against your floor for maximum effectiveness. It contains recycled plastic bottles, which is a plus for the environment. It's not fiberglass, so it's not itchy to install. Rodents don't like it, and it really does come at an amazing value price. You know that insulating your timber floors has a huge winter benefit for energy savings and the comfort of warmer floors. But did you know that it's also good for keeping the heat out in summer? To achieve all of these benefits at the lowest possible price, Value Poly is the stuff you need. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the bell so that you're notified of any new videos. Thanks for watching.